How to fix ATT app error code 902. So if you want to fix your ATT app error code, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser, Google, Safari, anything that you're comfortable with, and go with the search. Under search, you need to search for internet speed test, and then you need to go with the speed test. You need to tap on run speed test, and the minimum speed required for ATT app is usually around 2 to 3 Mbps. So if it's anywhere near or above this number, that's fast enough. If your internet speed appears to be unreasonably low, then you may need to contact your internet service provider for help. This should fix the issue. But if it doesn't, then you need to make sure you're running the latest version of the application. You can open up your Play Store or your App Store, and you can simply search for the app, go with the search icon, and then search for ATT. And if you have any updates under the application, then simply go with update. But if you don't have any updates, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings, and you need to simply go with apps and clear the cache or storage of the application. Tap on apps and then go with see all apps, or if you're using Safari, then you can simply go and offload the application. Once you've offloaded, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply uninstall the application. Uninstall the application and install it again from your App Store or your Play Store, and once you've reinstalled, then your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix ATT app error code 902, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.